Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you an amazing deal on a wonderful product called the Jar Hero. If you struggle opening up jars, this is the best one I've ever used. And you can open all different size jars, from very small ones to large ones. Like we have this essential oil bottle, it opens it in a breeze. Or how about this large canister? It opens this as well. And that's because the innovative design of the triangle. You can go all the way up for smaller bottles and all the way down for larger ones. Now everyone can benefit from this, especially if you suffer from arthritis or you're getting older and you don't have that wrist strength. I was fortunate enough to get the sample and I love it, and I use it far more than I could have even imagined it. But the best thing is our super low price. This sells on TV for $16, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Right now we have a smoking deal on it, but our quantities are limited. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab one or two today.